whose interest is Governor Chukwuma Soludo serving when he demolished the headquarters of Innoson Motors, destroying over 20 brand new vehicles that was manufactured and displayed at the showroom of Innoson Motors. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, Innoson Motors, the first indigenous vehicle manufacturing company in Nigeria, the pride of Nigeria, the pride of Southeast, the pride of Africa. Soludo, the governor, has demolished his headquarters and in the process destroying over 20 brand new vehicles that were at the showroom. Why did he do that? Whose interest is he serving? What message is he sending across? Now, look at it this way. Innoson Motors is the biggest employer of labor by any private sector in the whole of Anambra State, if not in the whole of the Southeast. That is how important Innoson Motors had been. They create jobs. The presence of Innoson in Nnewi, in Anambra State, helped to demystify the myth that Igbos don't invest in Southeast. They're always going around looking for where to invest outside Igbo land. And they make money in other people's and they don't make money there, which is not true. There are a lot of people who have invested in Southeast and they are reaping the benefits of their investment. Innoson is one of them. He has invested billions in Nnewi. And the way to repay him back is to demolish his headquarters unannounced, destroying brand new vehicles. Now, Innoson has not spoken until lately. He just spoke. I listened to a telephone conversation he had with somebody. And you know, Innoson is a decent person. And he keep on saying that he has no problem with Soludo. And why he has not gotten to see Soludo was because Soludo is not in town. It was out of the country. But you can't tell me that Soludo is not aware of what happened to Innoson, because the demolition of his headquarters had gone viral. Even though Soludo is in London, there's no way, and they say he went there to meet Igbo people or Anambra people ahead of the election. There's no way he cannot say that he have not heard about it. Yet, he didn't have the decency to call Innoson, to tell him, I'm sorry, I heard what happened to you. The people we directed to go and demolish, because we are expanding the road in the area, the people we directed, they ought to have given you notice. Because the government's position is that they gave Innoson notice. Innoson says it's a lie. He says it's a lie. And I will believe him more than I will believe the government officials in Anambra State. Because he said that they were even begging the people that came to demolish that they should please allow them. They should please allow them to remove the vehicles. These people refuse. Now, these are the kind of treatment, ill treatments Igbos face outside Igbo land in Lagos. And we condemn it here in this channel. We have to condemn it when it is done in the Southeast, when it is done by Soludo or anybody. So they were begging Soludo's men, let us allow us, these are brand new vehicles for display, for sale. Let us remove them. They refused. They started bulldozing, demolishing the house from the front. That's what we had. Even some staff members have to use ladder to climb out of the building, because those that came to demolish didn't even allow them to get out from the building. Talk more of allowing them to remove the vehicles. So whose interest is Soludo serving? What message was he sending? That road he want to build, of what purpose is that road want to expand? Of what purpose is that road? That the biggest company in Anambra State in terms of employment was not notified to be able to be ready to give way. And they were saying in the telephone conversation, said that he was not against expanding the road. He was not against expanding infrastructure in Newi or near his company. But he ought to have been informed. And he said that even if it was 30 minutes, that he was given 30, they were given 30 minutes, they would have been able to save a lot of things, especially those vehicles that were destroyed. Why is Soludo acting like this? Whose interest is Soludo serving? Is it the interest of Anambra State? Or is he trying to destroy the economy of the Southeast in the interest of his paymasters in Lagos, who don't want to see Southeast move forward? Because a company like Innoson, at a time when Southeast are having a lot of challenges in Lagos, ought to have been encouraged by Soludo. Even bend the rules sometimes if you need to. We have seen it done elsewhere, where some things will impact a particular project. Even the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, there were many business interests of Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Co. that they made sure that they saved. There were places where the road is not supposed to pass through because they want to avoid some people, some business interests. They diverted. That can be done, but that is not even the case. We're not even talking about bending the rule. Even Innoson himself say it's not talking about bending the rules for him. It is that it's a violation of a rule of law, of the rule of law. Because they ought to have respected the human rights of the workers of Innoson and make sure that they follow the rule. At least, even if you have served them notice, and they have not moved, which Innoson say is not true, they were not served any notice. Even if they have been served notice, and you know that Innoson is a manufacturer of vehicles, and you that was driving the bulldozer, you are seeing brand new vehicles that are selling for millions of naira each, and you are pulling your bulldozer and you are seeing it, That is wickedness of the highest order. It means you didn't come with a clean mind. You didn't come for the interest of Anambra people. You came for a vendetta. You came in anger. You came to teach Innoson a lesson for whatever reason. But only time will tell the real intention of Soludo in destroying one of the biggest investments in Southeast. I'm sure that people are watching it. Anambra people are watching it. The people that will vote in the coming election in Anambra, they are watching it. Whether Soludo, a man who can do this to an Igbo man who has opportunity to invest such billions in Lagos and elsewhere, but brought it home and is doing it at home, empowering people, contributing to the internally generated revenue of Anambra State. How much has Soludo contributed to the economy of Anambra State before he became governor? What business was he running in Anambra? What business has he ever owned in Anambra that was generating money and contribute to the internally generated revenue of Anambra State? As a professor, as whatever he is, can he tell the people of Anambra the companies he owned in Anambra that had employed up to 10 people or 20 people, contributing both to the personal tax and all kinds of tax that going on in Anambra State? And then Newi is probably one of the highest contributors to the IGR of Anambra State. What has Soludo contributed to the development of Anambra State before now, compared to what Innoson had done? It's left for the people of Anambra to send a message unequivocally to Soludo and teach him a lesson that he will not forget in the next election. I'm not a voter, I can't vote in Anambra State, but those who can vote should be able to send a message to him. Whether they are whether what he did to Innoson is what they sent him to come and do. He said he will turn Anambra to Dubai. Is it destroying the business of Innoson that he will start turning Anambra to Dubai, killing businesses? The only time will tell. But the onus, the ball is on the court of Anambra people to decide whether they approve what Soludo did to Innoson or not. That's all I can say about this matter. But whatever is your position, what do you think about demolishing Innoson's headquarters without allowing him to bring out over 20 vehicles that were destroyed? Brand new vehicles, manufactured vehicles. Let's hear from you. What do you think? Is that okay by you? Did you approve it? Did you sanction it? That it was the right thing to do? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.